really short video. This is kind of like a part 2 of the knowing the territory and your resources video. But I just want to tell you how I manage time. Most of it is covered in that video. Like you take whatever amount of time you have, for example 4 days, and you divide it according to the difficulties. You first complete the things that you've already studied, just do it as fast as possible. Then you go to the things that you haven't studied, then you start studying them one by one. And honestly, I personally like to approach in the increasing order of difficulty level, and it's more like marks to difficulty level ratio. Like if something is high return low effort, I would do them the first. If something is high effort high return, then I would do them the second. Then comes the low effort low return. I mean, it depends on how much time I have and how much mental space that I have. First I do the high return low effort thing. Then depending upon if I have energy, if I have time on that day, like if I don't have that much time, I would do the low effort low return thing. Then I would do the high effort high return with a fresh mind on the next day. And then I would probably not even do the high effort low return things, depending upon the time, honestly. So that's how I would approach. And most of the time it would happen that any topic that you took, that you wanted to study, you could not do it in the time that you designated for it. Now, in that case, the worst thing you can do is to panic. Panic and bro, I'm not able to do. How will I do the exam? How is everything happen? I'm saying this because I used to do it back in 6th or 7th grade. It was really, really bad. Let me tell you a story. I had a maths exam on one day, and I had a maths exam in, I think, class 7th, 6th or 7th probably. And then I had not studied anything because I honestly did not like math at that time. I had not done the entire geometry portion. So when I was doing ratio and proportions, I started panicking, bro. Like, I haven't done any geometry. How will I do? How will I do? Then I started crying and all. And then my parents were like, you have time, you have the morning. I had the exam the next day, so you can do it in the morning also. Then what happened is that I was like, fine, okay, calm down. I calmed down. Then I looked at the different angles, and we had constructions in which you had to make different angles. So what I did was that I just took a quick look at them and went to the exam, and I crushed the exam. So that's what I'm telling that story to illustrate my point, that sometimes it happens that even with a little bit of preparation, you can just go ahead and crush. The more important point is that panicking does not help at all. It's good that you are aware that you what you have to study and what you haven't studied. If you are aware, if you are confronting reality, only then you can change it. So that's that. And if it doesn't work out, if the time constraint isn't being met, then you have two things depending upon your time. If you have a decent amount of time, and the weightage of that topic is more, I would highly recommend you to complete that topic till the end, because the weightage is high even though it requires time. But if the weightage is less, and you don't have that much time, you just do a bare minimum thing, you just understand how it looks like, you just do. If it is a memorizing thing, you just memorize one word per thing. Like OS design issues, I created an acronym, and then I memorized just one word from there, and then I could elaborate from there also. So those are the two strategies you can follow depending upon whether the topic is high weightage and how much time you have. That's it. And I would recommend you not to panic and follow either just it's kind of like three strategies: either complete the topic, or half-ass it, uh, in terms of do the bare minimum so that you can at least write something, because in subjective questions it's not all or nothing, right? And third, just skip that topic altogether. Would not recommend it, but sometimes you have to do it because other topics are more important. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.